pretty decent day today. I think I had one big red trade on that stupid REKR, you know, stock. But other than that, I did pretty good on IMRN and APRN, and this really nice mover on, what was the name of that stock? GCAP. GCAP, found that moving on the Momo scanner and jumped right in, carried it from about 475 to I think it snapped over 5 and it got out for a little bit of a, I think I had about 4,000 shares or something. Anyways, overall pretty good day. I think I ended about just under $500 of profit, which is really nice because I was actually down about $500, I think, in the red, if not more, after that REKR trade. It's kind of disappointing. I need to stop jumping into things, I think, right off the scanner. I'm not exactly sure what made me jump into that. I think it was a $2 stock and it popped up and the chart looked okay, but I think what it was is there just wasn't enough volume. And then once I was in, I realized the spreads are actually quite large, and so I can't just stop out if I wanted to for a 5 or 10 cent loss on it. I was already faced with a 20-cent spread, so probably size was too big at 2,000 or 3,000 shares, and then and then I think going back into it, I lucked out because I was able to squeeze out a couple of cents, but probably not the best decision. So still learning. I think overall, I found some nice moves on IMRN, APRN, and GCAP, and I felt like I was overall pretty patient today. So anyways, be back again tomorrow doing some more live trading. Tomorrow I might have a meeting in the morning, so I might actually come in a little bit later than normal. But other than that, see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. All right. Good morning, everybody. I'm just getting in here. I'm going to check the gap scans. Yesterday I had a rough day. Today, my goal is just being green, and if I can make anything over $200, I'll be happy. So, the other goal I have is less than 5 trades today. Definitely no more than 5. So now that we've established our goals, let's go see what's on the gap scan here this morning. So we've got IMRN, the leading gapper. See what the daily looks like. 200 moving average at 597, so it's above that. Looks like a high of 739. And on the daily, we've got some resistance around 763, 780, a little more up here, $8, 847, 876 range, and then 926. And then after that, it kind of jumps up here to, we have a nice little window at 947, and then 1012. After $10, got some more resistance up here, but that's pretty high, so we'll leave that as is. We've got news. Revenue surges by 52%. They got a patent this week, so some good news here. Oops. 1.2, 1.3 million shares already traded today, so it's a little bit on the crowded side. Let's see what it looks like. A couple of sellers stacked up in there, but might be something after the bell rings here. All right, let's check on GSUM. It's like a $3 stock. Not a ton of volume, 44,000 shares. Running pretty much into 200 moving average, so not interested in that. BPTH, it's a former runner, trading around $14. Pre-market high of about 15.22. But it immediately sold off after it hit that and went all the way back down to 13.30. So I'm not sure what's going on here. Moving average of $17, so it's kind of getting close to that. We've got a high of 16.49 here. Then moving average. So not super confident here. There's no news either. Looks like there's no news on this. Next one down the list with some volume on it is NVCN. Looks like they got some news here. Recent reverse split. That one chart there. So yesterday it closed around 390, 388. Got some resistance in here, around $5, and then up and around 520, and then we've got a nice big gap of open air here to 629, and then 679, and then all the way up to 845. And after 845, it just goes up to like 9 and 10. So, so yeah, anything over 488 on this stock would be worth looking at. But it's down here in the $4 range under the VWAP. Nothing super exciting here. Continuation. Let's see what else do we have here. APRN maybe. Spiked up this morning to 896. Some resistance here, 954 and 1023. 200's way up here at 18. All right, let's see here. I'm not super excited about anything here. Looks like Caper from earlier this week, from yesterday actually, is gapping down below the VWAP, running right into 200-day moving average, so that's pretty much nothing there. CEI also from yesterday and last week. Get rid of that. It's like maybe anything over 442 could be an option. 450 was yesterday's high. 453, yeah. Otherwise it's looking like a scanner morning here. Let's see, Soling trading into the VWAP, sold off yesterday. And let's check out Beyond Meat, see what it's doing this morning. Looks like it's coming up to the VWAP on the 5-minute. Wow, look at that big spike. Open 167, high 168, that's $1. So Beyond Meat's been crawling up here, as yesterday it had a high of 170.70. So we're targeting, maybe it gets back to that level again, 168 to 170. Let's see what the SPY is doing. Wow. 301. The market's been strong. Making new highs. Yesterday, a high of 301.13. Oops. It's like IMRN is selling off there. Came right back down to this VWAP. All right, so 10 minutes to the bell here. I'm gonna put the video on pause and we'll be back in a few minutes. All right, so we're less than a minute to the bell now. Game plan, we have IMRN. We want to watch after around 740, 750, somewhere in there. Probably gonna dip down in the morning since it's already up 120%, and then we'll catch it on the way back up. NBCN, maybe if it gets over 487, I've got my order placed here or sitting here at 5, and I've got an order for IMRN at 750. And if those two come through, great. If not, we'll watch the Momo scanner. So there we go. All right, so looks like I IMRN is gonna snap up a little bit here. Getting almost 7. Okay, watch it pull back a little bit. Okay. Let's see the first minute here. It's dropping down, 6:30, 6:40, 6:25. I'm gonna watch the 30-second candles here. If it breaks down below 613, that's not good. Alright, so over 660. Or over 7 actually, rather than be safer. Okay, here it goes. Let's see if it gets over 7. A little bit of a fake breakout there. Not very confidence inspiring. APRN. Got some news. That's Blue Apron. $8.40. Big red candle. We'll jump in here at 8:48. There it goes. Scalp that bad boy. Out with $80. Didn't really pop. IMRN is coming back around for a retest here. Getting over 7. Whoops. Buy on the dip here. We'll go 4,000 shares. Snap over 7 and scalp. Come on. Alright, 223 on that. 300. Oh. Okay. 2 good solid trades. That was a close call. A little false breakout there. Good thing I got out, and I did. If this thing comes back over 720, I'm not sure I trust it. The thing came right back down. So I got mostly out, half of my position out at 710, the other half out at 7. So looks like I had a average position of around $7. So I broke even on half of it. Still made some money. 683. I don't know. I'm like hesitant to get into this thing again. Maybe over 7. I don't know. What's APRN doing here? Let's see. A 5-minute setup maybe. Over 9. No, 8:59. over high of day 856. IMRN over 720 maybe. What's the 5 minute look like? 5 minute looks choppy. GSX hitting the scanners. Not a lot of volume on that one. APRN kind of bouncing up a little bit. Volume is sort of increasing, but not really. IMRN just having a hard time. Alright, and APRN just broke down. IMRN is still holding in there. Yeah, I felt like that was coming real quick there. 628 snapped down. Right down to the moving average, 623. Still kind of holding this flag pattern on the 5 minute. If it gets down into the below 6 range, then yeah, that's going to be toast. See if this thing climbs back out. $675 maybe. 5 minute high is 695, so anything over 7 could snap. Not super motivated to take another trade here because I'm green. So only if it's an A quality setup will I even consider it at this point. Right now, IMRN is looking pretty weak. Dropping lower. Just sort of popping around in here. Volume hasn't really shown much. Let's see what BPTH is showing us. Nothing. Just selling off. I don't know what all these alerts are. Roku, 81 million share float though. So right now on the 30 second, let's check the 1 minute. Yeah, even in the 1 minute, IMRN fell below the VWAP here. So volume is like completely dropped off after those first 2 5-minute candles. Not awe-inspiring. Let's see what Roku looks like. $107 stock. Whoa! I don't know about that. It's making new highs here. 108. Wow, Roku, look at you go. New highs. Not interested. GSX. Nothing. APRN. Oh, there's APRN. See if we can get back over 840. Looks like IMRN is starting to break down here. So over 857. There it goes. APRN just snapped up. Look at that. Okay. Wait for a little maybe micro pullback here. That's solid. Look at that. New high, $9. There's no resistance. Some at 940 maybe. And then up to 1030. Alright, light pullback. 885, high of 903. Crosses 9, I'm in. Let's see. Nope. A little seller. 9. Alright, got a nice little trade there. I got jumped in at it's like 902 and got out about 909, so 7 cents a trade. I'm sitting at 443 for the day. It's like IMRN is curling back around here. I'm not interested until it gets over 650. So new high a day on APRN 935. A little bit of a double top here. Blue apron. Oh, look at that. IMRN. Almost to the 650 point. Let's see here. Over 650. That's interesting. There's a bunch of sellers stacked up in here though. I don't like that. $9.20. Big seller sitting at 9.30. The 5-minute on APRN is a high of 9.27. I don't know. At the very best, this is a potential scalp. It's like IMRN just fell apart. Okay, done with that. So volume, about half. Wow, Roku. Look at that thing go. New highs. REKR 276. It's got news. REKR joins NVIDIA, Metropolitan. It's moving pretty good. It's got some resistance around 3. Clear up to 363. $289. So maybe over 3. Jump in here. Little preemptive push up. I'm going to jump out here because I do not like that. Not move. The spread's too big. do not like this lack of confidence here. Come on. Need a little bit of momentum. Push. No. Come on. Got some news. Oh, shoot. Come on. Just fell apart on me. God, dang it. Why do I do this to myself? Look at APRN going now. I missed that move. Jeez. Okay. Come on, REKR. Where are you going? What are you gonna do to me here? Let's retrace that entire move about. Come on. Let's get back up into the 273 range so I can save face here. Alright, I'm gonna have to stop out of this thing, I think. This is not getting any better. Come on. Push. Okay, if it hits 250, I gotta stop out because this is too far. 30 cents. Knock him out. So I'm down 546 now. Great. Very disappointing. Apron over 915. Okay, I'm going to take a stab at REKR again, see if they can get back up into that 260 range. Nice stupid trade, but we'll see what happens. Below the VWAP on the 30-second. Daily breakout on GCAP. I don't know. Nice move on that. Ooh-wee. What the heck was that?
For our neighbors across the street.
just gonna get out here for a 1 cent, I think. Loss. Just hit the bid. Even. Okay. So I'm up 533. I gotta get out and I'm done. Save my day with GCAP. Jeez Louise. $275. All right, so I think I'm done. I had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. So that's my goal. And I'm over 200, so that's my daily goal. I'm done. A little bit of a close call there today.